First, diverse styles. Self-adhesive backsplash tiles have various shapes to meet different style needs and easily enrich the product line in a store. Second, convenient installation. Adhesive kitchen tiles come with adhesive backing. No tools are required. Customers can install them by themselves and increase their willingness to buy. Third, space saving. Removable kitchen tile is thin and easy to store, reducing inventory pressure and optimizing store space utilization. Fourth, efficient product expansion. Low-cost introduction of new products, quick response to market trends, and help sales growth. Follow me to get more home decoration sales secrets and make your store stand out.